Now if I go to the constructor, here is a three parameter. One is number of animals exist, another is x coordinate and y coordinate. So first number is number of element, then x coordinate, y coordinate. So now let me go here and give the let me give the number of animals 7, and let me provide x coordinate, let's say 13, and y coordinate, let's say 9. Okay, now uh, it the constructor, it will call constructor, and here the value of u will be 7, value of a will be something 13, and so now what I will do, I will insert 7 animal in this object. So for that, if I go to the cpp file, here I can see there one is set value. So if I by using this set value function, I can insert name, which is string, and x, which is the number of animals, and another one is index, so which index it is. So now with this function I can insert name and number of element. So for that, I have to use for loop. So let me take for let's say int I equals 0, I less than 7, 0 to 7, 0 to 6, I plus plus. Okay, so here inside this loop, what I can do, I can call this function. I can call this function and give the name with the string, and amount x is the number of animals each, and another one is index. So for that, I can call a function. So before I'm calling function, let me take input, which I will take first, which will take the name, and then it will take the number of animals. Name, let's say int, let's say number. So number. Okay, first I will say greater than name, same greater than number. So now what it will do, it will take 7 name and 7 number, and each time it should call the set value function. So let me zo dot set value. So first what I'll provide, I'll put the name, and then I will give the number, then I will give the I. What it will do, uh, it will iterate 7 times, and each time it will take a name and number and set the value to the. So this is for one zoo. If you want to make another zoo, you can follow this step. Just you need to change the object name and the parameters here, and other thing will be the same as this. You can also, you have to also change this name. After that, what I can do, I will check whether a, a animal is exist or not in a like in this zoo. So for that, what I can do, if I go to the cpp file, here I can see there is a function called get animal index. So I will take it will take name, and it will provide the index of this animal. So for by using this function, I can do I can search if the animal is exist or not. It will return integer value. So for that, let me int, let's say exist. anything. So zoo dot index, so let's say name, let's say tiger. Okay, tiger. So if exists, if exist greater than or equals 0, then I don't know what is this. If that number is greater than or equal 0, that means if I go to this function, here you can see if it is found, then it will return the I, and otherwise it will return -1. So if the value is greater than 0, that means it has not returned this one -1, it has given this one, that means the animals is exist, otherwise it will return -1, means the animals is not exist here. So if exists greater than or equal 0, then let me see out string the animal is present in that. So okay, now if I run the code, so let me run this code. First build, Ctrl V, and then run. Okay, if I want to run that code, so first let me take this input right there. So here's 7 input. So the animal is present in that zoo, means that here you can see the output, the animals is present in that zoo. So means it is printing that string, so it means that the tiger is present in this zoo. So if I make another trial, let me change the name to fox. Okay, if I now build this fun code and run again, okay, let me do another thing, something else. So let me print if it is not, so otherwise you cannot see the change. That means is not present. Okay, so now if I build and run, so now if I go to the input, now here you can see I have given fox, so it will search for fox. If it is there, it will print this line, otherwise it will print this line. So here if I now enter, so the animal is not present in this. So now you can see the change. So here that's how you can work with this kind of